Nakikita ko po a lot of brilliant and inspiring faces here with us today. Thank you so much as we officially kick off the 2025 National Women's Month celebration. And today, in partnership with SM Cares, the PCW leads the NWMC kickoff activity. This event seeks to empower women from various sectors, particularly those in marginalized communities.
This is a call to action, a reaffirmation of our shared commitment to advancing the rights, empowerment, and well-being of Filipino women in all sectors. Remember, when women and everyone come together, we do more than tell a story. We write a future where every voice is heard, where every right is fulfilled, and every woman thrives.
Thank you for joining us here today as we welcome you to the SM Mall of Asia Music Hall. Today, I am honored to speak about a vital aspect of our mission at SM Cares, empowering women in our communities. Our commitment to women's empowerment is not just a program. It's a fundamental value that drives everything that we do at SM Supermoms. Together, we can forge a future that celebrates diversity and inclusivity, ensuring that every woman has the opportunity to thrive.
The work of a woman in life is life itself. Kung wala ang kababaihan, hindi iniinop ang sandaigdigan. Kung wala ang kababaihan, walang kapanatagan ang tahanan at pamayatan. Women are the best things that ever happened to humanity. Together with SM Cares, the Philippine Commission on Women conveys its gratitude to every one of you for coming here and joining the kick-off of the National Women's Month celebration this year. Malayo na po ang ating narating pero marami pa tayong dapat gawin. Time and again, we have been challenged and without fail, we continue to rise above and break barriers. We will not slow down, we will not give in, and we will not give up. This 2025 and beyond, we will ride in the momentum of our gains and maximize opportunities in this digital era to accelerate the implementation of the Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action and to contribute to the achievement of Goal 5 and all the gender targets of the World Sustainable Development Agenda 2030.
Today, we gather not just to launch an initiative, but to ignite a movement, one that stitches together the voices, struggles, and triumphs of Filipino women across generations.
I am honored to stand before you today as we gather for the 2025 National Women's Month celebration. This year's sub-theme, Babae sa lahat ng sektor, aangat ang bukas sa bagong Pilipinas, encapsulates our dedication to empower women across all sectors of society.
As we move forward, assured of PCW's trust, we will continue to share its vision, passion, and commitment to the twin goals of gender equality and women empowerment.
Our journey has not always been easy. Yet our passion has never wavered. We have navigated challenges with resilience, embraced progress with open arms, and consistently strive to create spaces that uphold gender equity, inclusivity, and empowerment.
As our National Women's Month theme suggests, today gives us a golden opportunity to reflect on our gains and to re-examine the continued marginalization of women, particularly to disadvantaged and underserved communities. We commend UNP SIGAT for demonstrating exceptional knowledge and expertise in gender sensitivity training as evidenced by the positive feedback from participants. We applaud MC Wagi for its responsiveness to participant feedback commitment to program refinement, and ability to blend theoretical knowledge with practical applications to drive meaningful outcomes. To both of you, we look forward to our continuing partnership in breaking barriers, challenging systemic biases, and ensuring that no one is left behind in the pursuit of a truly gender-fair society. Sa inyo pong dalawa, kinararangal po namin kayo talaga. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsisikap at patuloy nating taklingkuran ang ating mga kababaihan. Salamat po.
So today, we'd like to present to everyone the PDIC Financial Literacy Program. And this month, we are celebrating women.
Teach the women about how money really works and they can change the world.
So as you all know po, ang NPC, we handle our mandate is about the Data Privacy Act of 2012. And if ever po pala na you have any concerns regarding data privacy, so you can email us at info@privacy.gov.ph. Kung meron man kayong concerns about or complaints regarding data privacy, just email us at complaints@privacy.gov.ph.
Kami naman po sa SM Cares, kami po ay talagang taos-puso po yung aming suporta sa Philippine Commission on Women because we believe that we can be equal as katulad po na nangyayari sa loob po naming organisasyon.
Nandito ako para pag-usapan natin ang ating mental health. So magsimula tayo, no? Kamusta ka? Lahat po tayo ay may kalusugang pag-isipan. Mental health is a state of mental well-being that enables people to cope with the stresses of life, realizes their abilities, learn well and work well, and contribute to their community.
I'm so happy and really honored to be part of this celebration. Alam nyo, this is a 20-year-old dream. 20 years ago, when I was elected as City Councilor of Bacolod, I was also championing as a lawyer the rights of women and children. Papasalamat talaga ako sa PCW for giving me this chance. Hindi po natin maaaral ang digital technologies overnight. It has to be, as I said, a mindset. Alam niyo po kung anong dapat mindset natin, especially mga kababaihan? We need to embrace lifelong learning. Huwag po tayong huminto sa pag-aaral.
Kahit po ako ay lalaki na nandito, ako po ay nakikiisa. Nasabi ko po sa kasamahan ko, sa dati ko pong ahensya ng gobyerno, sa PPP Center, God focal person po ako. So, I really champion po ang women empowerment and gender and development. Sino po sa inyo nakakakilala sa Small Business Corporation? Attached agency po kami ng Department of Trade and Industry. Ang mandato po namin ay tumulong sa lahat ng nagnenegosyo, particular sa mga micro, small, and medium enterprises.
As we conclude this meaningful celebration and march through the remaining days of Women's Month, let us carry forward the strength, resilience, and shared vision that has brought us here today. This is not just a gathering. It is a reaffirmation of our collective promise to champion gender equality and women empowerment in every space, in every sector, and in every aspect of our lives that truly matter.